What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Shade Tree Garage video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys what I bought and why I bought it, kind of. There's not a real perfect reason. Sorry, the dogs just won't shut up behind me. But I went to some time attack battles, Super Lap Battle, SLB, in Circuit of Americas, Austin, Texas. And I seen the cars, and I seen that not all of them were like hypercars. A lot of them are just dudes out there DIYing it kind of up in a lot of Civics, Integras, Subarus, Evos, and to see that, and Lancers, and there was even a dude with a really cool freaking Eclipse, or a TSX Talon. And after seeing it, I came back, and 2 days later, I bought a car to start building for a time attack car. Now, this car is not gonna be crazy fast, at least yet, in my eyes. It's not anything insane yet, and that's mainly just because, well, I'd like to learn with smaller horsepower. If I wanted to go out there with a really high horsepower car that I can deck out with some winglets and stuff and aero, it would be the Skyline. But me being inexperienced on a circuit, time attack, or everything, a track, even autocross, if I wreck the Skyline, I will hate myself for that. So I went with a cheap car, and cheap to mod, and something that everybody's done but I've never done. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. Smash the like if you do, if you're excited. We're almost at 800 subscribers, which is awesome. I appreciate you guys a lot. And I'm looking forward to building a car that is more affordable and that people can get and have fun with. And I'm not looking for a lot of power, and I'm going to try to show that I can learn how to drive and have fun with a kind of a lower horsepower setup. So I guess let's get on with it. Welcome to my 96 Honda Civic EK hatch. Yeah, I've always wanted a Honda hatchback, an older one, just because I know you can make them really fast because they are super light. And this one is like partly stripped back there. I mean, the front's kind of here, a lot of it's loose and rattly. It was just a build that wasn't all the way finished, but it was really fast from what I hear. I'll show you guys what's under the hood. The cool thing is to pop the hood, which it already is, it looks like. Let me put this thing in, she's in Honda mode. Alright guys, the engine that this thing has is an H22A4. And I believe this is the stock H22. Runs like crap right now. I probably won't even try to start it. Because something to do with this little injector converter, because they're low impedance injectors. So when it was running really good, really quick. According to my brother-in-law, it was his friend's car. I would like, first things on the list to do is we need to strip this thing. What we're gonna do with this build is it's gonna be a track build, which is gonna be kind of cool. Honda. Okay, first of all, also 788 out of 800 subscribers. Awesome job. Thank you guys for everything y'all are doing. We do have some new stickers and stuff coming in. Alright, right here, Honda. We have strip inside, clean the inside, pull the engine bay, or the engine, and then let's get a cage in this thing. So my goal with this thing will be to do time attacks, autocross, whatever that I can really do. I want to learn more about driving and turning than just the going straight thing, even though the going straight thing's hard and I'm not perfect by any means. But this thing is kind of dirty. I mean, it's been sitting in here a while because I've had side job after side job. There's another engine build coming to the channel, another cool one that'll be coming to you. It's a Mitsubishi, so that's really cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get kind of working on this thing as far as getting everything opened and thrown away. So, and anything that falls out, it's just meant to fall out. We're gonna need it pretty freaking stripped for the roll cage that I'm wanting to do in this thing. So let me just snap to getting a lot of this cleaned out. I'll pile some trash, pile some tools, These shocks are just not good anymore. That sucks. That one is like barely hanging on. I feel like this thing's gonna kill me. It's gonna be a race seat, but I'm still gonna need a seat to do the roll cage. You plugged in? Nope, of course not. Nuts, bolts, anything like that I'm gonna try to keep. Even though I've got a lot of stuff. This says not trash, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be trash where we're going. Spare distributor. I believe this is not the right distributor, but I'm not 100%. The wiper arms, I took those off. So I was looking at that injector box. Alrighty guys, went ahead and got all the screws out the side of this. She's heavy now though. Slide that off, and then got them off the front too. Be not dailyable or very easy or whatever because track car. Right now I got all the dogs up. Whoa, that's crazy. Maybe because it's missing a screw? Oh, and then the door piece. Yeah. I think the heater core may be leaking. Doesn't matter. I still may go get my wire. Just set this on top of the beetle. Doesn't need that. That'll help me get some more light. This thing had a heater core leak. It's very wet down there, which is not going to matter. We're going to remove the dash and heater core eventually anyways. But for what I'm going to work on right now is getting the radio and stuff out, get that all cleaned up because all these extra system wires that are kind of just dangling everywhere. And then we're going to end up just picking up the small things. Need to finish off this trim piece with that 14 right there. Same thing on that side. Alrighty guys, now I'm just going to go ahead and knock out, taking the glove box off. I didn't want to get to them from the bottom. That's not good. I don't know what's holding this radio in. It's only being held in on one side. It may be, is there a screw back here somewhere? Got the radio out. It was just a screw under here. Ow. What is up guys? Yeah.